Hello, this is Evelyn. Welcome to my channel Evelyn Feed. Today I will disclose full process of how cashews are processed from raw to packaged in a modern factory. Every day, billions of snack foods are consumed around the world. Crispy chips, crunchy puffs, seasoned bites, products so common, yet rarely understood. Behind every bag lies a massive industrial system operating at extraordinary speed. A system where raw agricultural ingredients are transformed, within minutes, into packaged snacks ready for shelves across the globe. This is not small-scale cooking. This is precision manufacturing. In this documentary, we enter a high-speed snack food factory, where automation, human skill, and strict quality control work together without pause. From raw ingredients to finished packs, this is how modern factories produce snacks at scale. Raw ingredient arrival. The process begins long before frying or seasoning. Raw ingredients arrive continuously: potatoes, corn grits, wheat flour, rice flour, vegetable oils, and seasoning compounds. Each truck entering the facility carries material already tested at origin, yet nothing is trusted without verification. Every delivery is logged, weighed, and sampled before it ever touches the production line. Because consistency begins at the source. Ingredient inspection and storage. Once unloaded, ingredients are routed into dedicated storage systems. Dry materials are stored in sealed silos. Oils are transferred into temperature-controlled tanks. Seasonings enter climate-regulated rooms to preserve flavor integrity. Moisture, temperature, and contamination risks are constantly monitored. Nothing moves forward without approval. Because once production begins, it cannot stop. Ingredient preparation. Before processing, raw materials are prepared for uniformity. Potatoes are washed, peeled, and sliced. Corn and wheat are milled into precise particle sizes. Water is filtered and temperature controlled. Every input must behave predictably. In high-speed factories, inconsistency causes breakdowns, and breakdowns cost millions. Dough and base formation. For formed snacks, dry ingredients are blended with water, oils, and binders. High-capacity mixers combine materials under strict timing and torque control. The resulting dough must be elastic, stable, and uniform. Seconds matter here. Too soft, and the product collapses. Too dry, and it shatters. Extrusion and shaping. The prepared mixture enters extruders, powerful machines that force material through shaped dies. Pressure, heat, and moisture transform raw dough into recognizable snack shapes. This is where snacks are born. Rings, curls, sticks, waves, formed at thousands of pieces per minute. Automation replaces hands, but precision replaces chance. Cutting and fry stabilization. As extruded snacks exit the dies, high-speed blades cut them into exact lengths. Products are briefly stabilized using airflow and vibration to maintain shape. Any deviation is immediately detected. At this speed, errors multiply instantly. Frying systems. The heart of the factory lies in the frying line. Continuous fryers stretch across the facility, filled with precisely filtered oil. Temperature is controlled within fractions of a degree. Each snack spends only seconds in oil, but those seconds define texture, color, and crunch. Too long, and it burns. Too short, and it becomes soggy. Oil management and draining. As snacks exit the fryer, excess oil is removed immediately. Vibration, centrifugal force, and airflow strip away surface oil. Used oil is filtered, tested, and either reused or discarded. Because oil quality defines flavor and safety. Seasoning application. Now comes flavor. Snacks enter rotating drums where seasoning powders and liquid flavors are applied. The drum's angle, speed, and airflow ensure even coating. This is not random shaking, it is controlled distribution. Every bite must taste the same. Cooling and structural setting. Freshly seasoned snacks are hot and fragile. Cooling conveyors reduce temperature gradually to prevent cracking. Airflow direction, humidity, and belt speed are calibrated continuously. Only when stabilized can snacks survive packaging. Automated inspection systems. Before packaging, snacks pass through advanced inspection systems. Optical cameras detect burns, shape defects, or color variation. Metal detectors search for foreign contaminants. Weight sensors verify consistency. Anything abnormal is instantly rejected. Quality is enforced automatically. Portioning and weighing. Approved snacks enter multi-head weighing systems. These machines calculate thousands of combinations per second to achieve perfect portions. Accuracy is measured in grams. Because customers expect fairness in every bag. Packaging and sealing. Weighed snacks drop into packaging machines forming bags from printed film. Air is replaced with nitrogen to preserve freshness. Heat seals lock the package shut. From raw ingredient to sealed pouch, often in under an hour. Final quality control. Even sealed bags are inspected. Cameras verify seals. Scales confirm final weight. Batch codes ensure traceability. Nothing leaves unchecked. Because one failure can affect millions. Palletizing and storage. Finished bags are packed into cartons. Robotic palletizers stack them with perfect alignment. Wrapped pallets move into warehouses designed for rapid dispatch. The factory never stops, only flows. Logistics and distribution. Trucks are loaded continuously. Routes are optimized. Timelines are tight. From factory to store shelves, snacks travel across countries, sometimes continents. Speed meets scale. Conclusion. Behind every snack lies engineering, automation, and discipline. What seems simple is the result of thousands of controlled decisions every minute. This is how modern factories feed the world, efficiently, consistently, and at incredible speed. And this is how high-speed snack food factories transform raw ingredients into the products we enjoy every day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.